In today's video, I'll be giving you my honest review of Glitching.ai. Now, this video is going to cover everything you need to know about this AI dropshipping tool, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you can figure out if this is right for you. Now, before I properly get started on this video, I just want to mention that if you want to try out Glitching for yourself, I'll actually include a link in the video description down below, and you can click on that link to get started. So let's start with an overview. Glitching.ai is an AI-powered tool designed to streamline the dropshipping process. It aims to help users save time and effort by automating various tasks, particularly in the areas of product research, content creation, and also marketing. Overall, Glitching positions itself as a time-saving solution for dropshippers, particularly beginners who might find the initial setup and product selection overwhelming. So what are some of the top AI features for Glitching.ai? They actually have 3 different sections of AI features. They have AI features for product research, they then have AI features for content creation, and then they have AI marketing assistance. So in terms of product research, they have the AI product finder, and this basically uses an AI algorithm to analyze data and trends, and it will suggest potentially profitable products for dropshipping. On top of that, users can filter and refine searches based on specific criteria. In terms of content creation, they have the digital product section down here. And this is perfect if you're selling something like ebooks, because you can use this service to create an entire ebook with AI, and you can then sell it on your store, which is created by Glitching. And finally, they have AI marketing assistance. As you can see here, it uses AI to help generate ads, and they say that it converts traffic into buyers. This is a great way of creating targeted ads for different platforms, and it allows you to reach your ideal customer base more effectively. Now, of course, they do also have some other features, but I was just touching on some of the AI features. So now on to the pricing. If you were to get a monthly plan, as you can see here, it costs £20 a month, which is roughly $25 to $30. However, if you wanted to get an annual plan, that's going to cost you £100 a month. And if you're sure you're going to be using it for this time, then that is definitely a good deal, as you'll be getting over half price for paying annually. Now, it's hard to compare this to other tools because there aren't many other AI dropshipping tools out there. However, in my opinion, this is a pretty fair price. The AI features that are included with this tool will generally save you a ton of time, and it will also make your life a lot easier. So for this small price, I don't think it's that much. In conclusion, Glitching.ai stands out as a helpful companion for aspiring dropshippers, particularly those new to the game. Its AI features take the edge off overwhelming tasks like product research and content creation. However, if you crave complete creative control over your product's descriptions and marketing materials, then Glitching.ai might feel a bit too restrictive. The AI-generated content serves as a solid foundation, but customization options may be limited. Seasoned dropshippers with established research and marketing workflows might actually find the AI suggestions less necessary, so in my opinion, this tool is perfect for beginners, and it might not be as good if you are already experienced in dropshipping. As I mentioned earlier, I'll actually include a link in the video description down below, and that will allow you to try out Glitching for yourself, as the ultimate way to find out if this tool is right for you is to use it for yourself and see what you think of it. So this has been my honest review of Glitching.ai. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.